Hello guys, so this is week 2 and this is the camp market, the almighty mommy market I skipped in week 1. It's a very big comprehensive market that saves the all of the NYC camp. It is a comprehensive market in the sense that it has everything needed for total survival in the camp. We have the food section, the laundry, the buying of wares, the shopping section, even up to the part where you get to charge your phone, yeah. But it's very comprehensive. I was really impressed when I saw it at the beginning. So here we have the camp clinic where I spend most of my time here in camp. I work as a nurse here and it makes me avoid most of the strenuous activities of the camp. Sometimes they tell us we're hiding here, but we have a lot of patients to take care of. We also have 2 ambulances for ambulance services, just in case there is a severe emergency that the clinic can handle, so the patients can immediately be referred to the hospital. So, series of activities has actually started. We have the volleyball, interplatinum volleyball, we have the badminton, we also have the table tennis and the football competition. Dance rehearsal was also ongoing in preparation for the interplatinum dance competition, and then the almighty parade. Then we have the side classes, which is usually long and boring and comprises of different entrepreneurial skills that you can think of: barbering, sewing, pastry, bead making, etc. Then I got Mrs. Big Bold and Handsome, beautiful too.